So now we are going to discuss regular and inverted filtering options. In the filtering section at the bottom, there is one more interesting option called Advanced, Regular and Inverted. We see that by default it's been set up to regular, which means that with that option ticked, user.com app will filter out users matching exactly all criteria you specify in the filters. All the filtering rules we have covered so far in other videos were performed with that option ticked. But we also have inverted here, and with that one on, just in reverse, it means that you will get all users not matching filters specified in the filtering section. It may be useful when you need to create a segment of all users that have not met a complex combination of criteria. So let's discuss an example here. Let's say we want to filter out users who have ever triggered an event promo button clicked or newsletter sign up. First, let's see who has ever performed promo button clicked, and we see 3 users here. Then let's check for newsletter sign up. We see 2 users here, and as you noticed, Amanda Smith has performed both events. So now let's filter those that has performed either promo button clicked or newsletter sign up. I'm specifying the filters, and we have those users appearing in the middle. I have 4 users here so far, but imagine your website is up and running for a long time, and there are hundreds of them here. For sure, some of them have performed only the first event, the others only the second event, and there is also a group of them, like Amanda Smith, that performed both events. And now imagine you want to filter out all users that are outside those I've just described. Sounds complex, doesn't it? You'd need to combine different filtering rules, and it's easy to make logic mistakes when setting up reverse rules. But there is an inverted option here to make it simple for you. We have 410 users in total. The number of those who have performed either promo button clicked or newsletter sign up is 4, and I have them here. When you need all other users except for those, the only thing you need to do is to change regular to inverted, and after searching, there will appear all users that have never performed the first event nor the second event. And we see there are 406 of them, so all numbers match perfectly. Now you can, for example, create a segment for those rules so that you have a quick access to all users that are outside that group in the future. So we've just discussed additional possibility in the users filters. Thanks for your time.